Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mr. abd albakry. Now we are going to discuss some examples on the operation of cube root. So the first, find the cube root of negative 1000. As you know, we can factorize 1000 as we know just like before. So 1000 is even number, so it's divisible by 2. 1000 divided 2 is 500. Dividing by 2, 500 dividing by 2 is 250. Dividing by 2 means taking half the number 500. Dividing by 2 is taking half the number 250 to 125. The unit is 5, so we can divide it by 5. 125 divided 5 is 25. 25 is divisible by 5. 25 divided 5 is 5. 5 divided by itself. In order to find the cube root, we take from every three twos, we take 1, 2. So it will be here 2, and here is 5. So, and then multiply. So 2 multiply 5 is 10. So the cube root of negative 1000. So the cube root of negative 1 is negative, and the cube root of 1000 is 10. Then we are going to find the cube root of 1715. 1715. As you know, the unit is 5, so it will be divisible by 5. 17 divided by 5 is 3, because 3 times 5 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. So it becomes 21. 21 divided by 5 is 4, as 4 times 5 is 20. So 21 minus 20 is 2, and then 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now let's try dividing this number by 5. So 34 divided by 5 is 6, and as 6 times 5 is 30, 34 times 30 is 4, so it will be 45 divided by 5 is 9. By even dividing this number by 3, because 6 and 9 are divisible by 3, so 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 23 is prime number, so we can divide it by itself only. So 23 divided by 23 is 1. So let's check it again. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. 25 times 3 is 75. So 75 times 23 equals 15. Carry on up. 7 times 3, 21 plus 1 is 22. 0 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 equals 15. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2, 7, 1. So there is a problem here. So let's try it again. 17 divided by 5 is 3. So it will be 24. 21 divided is 4, and get 1 up, because so it will be 15, sorry. So this is 1. So 15 divided, so this will become 3. So okay, it happens. So this is 3. This number becomes 3, and of course this also will be wrong, so no problem. And 343 is divisible by 7. 34 divided by 7 is 4. 43 minus 28, as 4 times 7 is 28, it will be 6. So 63 dividing by 7 is 9. 49 dividing by 7 is 7. Dividing by itself equals 1. So the result will be 7. Will be 7, and 5 is still stay under cube root, because 5 has no cube root. So it will be 7 cube root of 5. In order to find, and we are done now. So let's answer this question as this subtraction. So we will find by the same way 250 using the factorization also 128. So 250 dividing by 2 and 128 dividing by 2. 250 divided by 2 is 125 as we take half the 250. If you want to divide it, it's okay, no problem. Dividing by 5 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And from every 3 5s we take only 1 5. So here it will be 5 cube root of 2, as this 2 has no cube root. Okay, so the answer of the first is 5 cube root of 2 minus, let's factorize 128. Dividing 12 divided by 2 is 6. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Dividing by 2 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Dividing by 2, 16. Dividing by 2, 8. Dividing by 2, 4. Dividing by 2 is 2. Dividing by 2 is 1. And let's, from every 3 2's we take only 1 2. So 2 and 1 2 3. So this is also 2. Let's multiply 2 times 2 is 4. So it will be 4 cube root of 2, as this 2 has no cube root, so it will be cube root of 2. So 5 cube root of 2 minus 4 cube root of 2 equals, these are like terms, so we will start to subtract the coefficient. 5 minus 4 is 1 cube root of 2 cube root of 2. So the answer is cube root of 2. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.